Now see the fifth question. In a parallelogram ABCD, E and F are the midpoints of side AB and CD respectively. This E is the midpoint of this side and F is the midpoint of this side. Show that the line segment AF and EC trisect the diagonal BD. Now we have to show that this line segment AF and this EC trisect this diagonal BD. Trisect means they divide this diagonal into three equal parts. That means this part is equals to this part and this is equals to this part. That means all three parts should be equal. Okay, so let us start the answer. First of all, we will write what is given to us. ABCD is a parallelogram. E and F are the midpoints of AB and CD. This is given to us. Now to prove, what we have to prove, that this AE and EC trisects diagonal BD. So we have to prove that this DP is equals to PQ is equals to QB. Okay, now see the proof. First of all, it is given to us that ABCD is a parallelogram. Now if ABCD is a parallelogram, then AB will be equal to CD and AB will be parallel to CD. Okay, so we have written AB equals to CD and AB parallel to CD. Reason is opposite sides of a parallelogram. Name this as equation number 1. Okay, now it is also given that E is the midpoint of AB. Okay, so since E is the midpoint of AB, AE will be equal to half of AB. So AE is equals to half of AB. Name this as equation number 2. Now it is also given that F is the midpoint of CD. So in this also, this FC will be half of CD. Okay, this FC, that means CF, is equals to half of CD. Name this as equation number 3. Now in equation number 1 we have written that AB is equals to CD. Okay, so instead of CD here we can write AB. Okay, so CF is equals to half AB. Okay, from equation number 1, because AB is equals to CD, so instead of CD we have written AB. Name this equation as equation number 4. Now from equation number 2 and equation number 4, see what is equation number 2, AE equals to half AB, and what is equation number 4, CF equals to half AB. Both are equal to half AB, that means they are also equal. So from equation number 2 and 4 we can say that AE is equals to CF and AE is parallel to CF. Now this is AE and this is CF. Now if these both sides are equal and parallel, that means this is a parallelogram. So AECF is a parallelogram. So we can write, since one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel, therefore AECF is a parallelogram. Now see the triangle BAP. BAP. In this triangle, E is the midpoint of AB. This E is the midpoint of AB. Okay, and EQ is parallel to AP. Why? Because this is a parallelogram. Okay, so these two lines will be parallel. So EQ is parallel to AP because AECF is a parallelogram. Okay, now yesterday also I have told you that by converse of midpoint theorem, if this is the midpoint and these two lines are parallel, then this will also be the midpoint of the third line. Okay, so we can write, therefore by converse of midpoint theorem, Q will also be the midpoint of PB. Okay, in this triangle BAP, this Q will also be the midpoint of BP. Now if this is the midpoint, then these two sides will be equal. These two parts will be equal. So we can write PQ is equals to QB and name this as equation number 5. Now similarly in triangle DQC, DQC, in this triangle also F is the midpoint, okay, and these two lines are parallel, that means P will also be the midpoint of this DQ. So in this we can directly write, similarly in triangle DQC, P is the midpoint of DQ. This P is the midpoint of DQ. That means this part will be equal to this part. So we can say that dP is equals to PQ and name this as equation number 6. Now from equation number 5 and 6 we can say that dP is equals to PQ and this PQ is equals to QB. So dP is equals to PQ is equals to QB. Now if these parts are equal, these all three parts are equal, that means these two lines are trisecting the diagonal BD. So at last we can write, or line segment AF and EC trisects the diagonal BD, and this only we have to prove. So you can write hence proved. Thank you everyone. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel and stay connected with A1 study classes.